Hello and welcome to Kaun Banega Smart Buyer. In this video, we'll tell you about the top 5 microwave ovens that you can buy in India in 2021. At the number 5 spot is the Godrej 30 liters convection microwave oven. The model number is GME 530 CF1 PMBLK. This microwave from Godrej has some really superior features and it's very easy to use. It has multi-cuisine, multi-stage and insta-cook features which lets you make more than 90 Indian dishes very easily and effectively. The great feature with this microwave is that it offers you a child lock facility to keep the children around your house safe. This is the perfect microwave for a large family in India. There's an auto cook menu which is great for rookies and for people who would like to make something very quickly. It is a multitasking oven, so you can not only bake but you can cook, roast and even defrost. This model comes in a beautiful black color which makes it look very sleek and stylish, and it will merge very nicely with any type of kitchen decor that you have. The oven combines microwave energy and convection cooking power. This lets you cook foods faster than any other microwave. Another great feature with this microwave is its fast cooling technology. It has fans which lets your microwave cool down much faster than others after you're done using it. This also leads to enhanced durability of your product. And the icing on the cake is that this microwave is also very easy to clean. Overall, we give it 4 out of 5 stars. At the number 4 spot is the LG 28 liters charcoal convection microwave oven. The model number is MJ2886BFUM. This one is another great option for a large family. This oven is very beautifully designed and it uses advanced technology and programming to make cooking a very easy and interesting task for you. As the name suggests, it has a capacity of 28 liters and it has an auto cook menu with a whopping 271 presets. Microwave lets you bake, cook, grill, reheat and defrost your food. It comes with a very useful starter kit. The kit has various utensils and accessories that will be very useful for you when you start cooking in your microwave. Microwave has rotating dials which are very easy to use and also increase the durability of your product. It has a 360 degrees motorized rotisserie, pasteurized milk and Indian roti basket with dyed fry facility. Other than that, you can also make paneer and curd in this microwave. You can also use it to keep your food warm for up to 1.5 hours. We give this microwave 4 out of 5 stars. At the number 3 spot is the IFB 30 liter convection microwave oven. The model number is 30FRC2. IFB is a very well-known microwave oven brand in India. This oven has a capacity of 30 liters and you can grill, bake, cook, reheat and defrost in it. This oven features a sensitive touch keypad control which makes it all the more attractive for users. It has 101 menu options and is also very easy to clean. It has a floral design on its door which will make it a beautiful addition to your kitchen countertop. It has auto cook settings using which you will be able to cook delicious food without much difficulty. Some of the amazing things that you can do in this oven include fermenting batter, milk and dough, disinfecting your kitchen utensils, sterilizing baby bottles, spoons and teethers. The oven also has a steam clean feature which removes grease from all the elements of your machine. It also has a child lock and express cooking options. We give this great oven 4.5 out of 5 stars. Now moving to the second spot in this list, we have the LG 32 liters convection microwave oven. The model number is MC3286BRUM. It has a capacity of 32 liters, which is great for a large family. Using this oven, you can grill, cook, reheat and defrost. You also get a starter kit with this oven which has some very useful utensils. This oven has some tactile buttons to control your temperature and time, and it also has a rotating dial to make things even easier for you. Its body is made of metal, so it's very durable and long lasting. On the display panel of your oven, you get many cooking options like tandoor, kids, fry, low calorie, Indian roti basket, pasteurized milk, cooking aid, dairy delight, steam cleaning, tea, ghee, dosa, etc. Another unique thing that you get in this oven is a multi-cook tawa that you can use to make various delicious Indian dishes. This oven is a really energy efficient product and we give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. Now at the number 1 spot in this list is the IFB 30 liter convection microwave oven. The model number is 30BRC2. This oven has a capacity of 30 liters and it has advanced features and programming to make cooking easier than ever before. You can use it for grilling, defrosting, reheating, cooking and baking. This oven features a sensitive touch keypad and also a child lock. This easy to clean device also features 101 auto cook menu options. Some of its options include auto reheat, wait defrost, express cooking, deodorize, steam cleaning and multi-stage cooking. The body of the oven is stainless steel, which grants it great durability. It has an LED digital display panel to show you the time, temperature, mode, etc. This oven also comes with a starter kit. We give this oven 5 out of 5 stars and it's the absolute best microwave oven that you can buy in India in 2021. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kaun Banega Smart Buyer for more such content. Bye!